Hi everyone, today we are going to be discussing the PMT function. When do we use the PMT function? PMT function is used when we need to calculate our monthly payments for a car loan or a house loan, whatever money we are taking from the bank in order to buy a car or anything that you want, or maybe business loan, any kind of loan. So the payments that we need to pay back to the bank after the car is bought and the loan is taken. Let's take an example here. Initially we would like to know the value of the car. So for example, we will take the value of the car to be 100,000. I've already changed it to USD, so it's easier for you to understand. So the value of car is going to be 100,000. How many years the bank has approved the loan for? So normally, for example, we take the loan is approved for 7 years. Okay, what is the interest rate? We are just going to put around 3.2. I mean, usually the rate that banks give around the world are different. So from anywhere from 2% to 5-6%. So we will just take 3.2% since this is what we are getting in the country that I live in. Payment per month. Since the values, normally we pay the payment by month. So we are going to use the PMT function when we need to calculate the payment per month. So we are going to invoke the function by writing is equal to, and then PMT, open the bracket, and the rate. What is the rate? Interest rate is 3.2%. Then we are going to divide it by 12 since we are calculating yearly basis. Okay, the next one is NPER. So the number of payments, how much the payments are. So we have taken the loan for 7 years. So payments are going to be 7 multiplied by 12. So 7 multiplied by 12. And the next we are going to add in another comma and present value. PV is present value, so we are just going to take value and close the bracket, and then we are going to press enter to get out. So the answer is going to come in negative since these are the values. This is the payment that we have to make to the bank per month. So this is how you calculate the value per month. So now we are going to move on to what are our alternative ways in order to calculate the payments of a loan per month. So we are going to just come here and click our cell where we want to invoke the formula, and we are going to go up on top to the insert function and going to click FX. So this kind of a window, this kind of dialog box is going to appear. On top we are going to write PMT and we are going to click go, and our PMT function will appear, and then we are going to press OK. Okay, this is a better way since I've told you before as well. You can look at my other videos, and this is a better way since Excel itself is going to explain what each individual thing in that formula does. So rate, Excel says rate is an interest rate per period for the loan. For example, use 6% by 4 for quarterly payments and 6% APR. So since we are using it for yearly payments, so it's going to be 3.2%. Dividing by, we can divide here as well by 12. NPER is the total number of payments for the loan. So total number of payments is going to be 7 multiplied by 12. Years multiplied by 12 is going to give you months. So total months 84. So PV is the present value. The total amount of the series of future payments is worth now. So it's 100,000. So the next two columns we don't need to do anything since we are calculating the payment per month, and we are not calculating the depreciation or anything. So we are just going to leave them blank and we are going to press OK. answer is going to be a negative value, since this is something that we have to pay and this is not something that we are getting. So monthly payments is going to be 1,330.36. We have to pay it every month, 7 years. If you're buying a car worth value 100,000 at an interest rate of 3.2%.